Kaspa is currently exploding from this ascending triangle, as you guys can see right here. And in this video, we're going to be diving in at our potential long-term target and short-term to see where Kaspa can potentially go, as well as the nearest support region to see if Kaspa can potentially correct in the near future, or will this thing keep pumping and keep exploding. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Before having a look at this TA ascending triangle that we looked at on my tweet yesterday I tweeted right here, ascending triangle on Kaspa. KAS can pump to 0.2, which is 2 cents if we close above resistance. Now this is the resistance right here. Let's dive back into the charts real quick. This was a resistance right here. We had another one right here and another one right here, and of course another one right here before actually opening above the ascending triangle or the resistance and essentially exploding. So we made a massive breakout. Now for those of you guys who don't know what an ascending triangle is, it's essentially when you have an uptrend followed by a resistance, which essentially makes this triangle right here. Now, how did I calculate the 0.02 cent target? Well, if I take the opening of the ascending triangle like this is where it started, and I extend that all the way to the breakout, which was right here above the resistance. Our target is approximately 20146. That's exactly our target, and Kaspa is doing exactly that. Now the question is are we gonna reach that target? Maybe, maybe not. Usually when I trade with leverage, I usually don't go to my full target, and I usually take profit around this region a little bit before. Why? Because 2 cent is also a psychological area. A lot of people might be selling, and people are like, oh, 2 cent, it's a big number. We went from 1 to 2 cent, time to sell, and we could see a potential correction. So the big thing is, can we see a massive correction back here to this region? Having a look on CoinMarketCap, Kaspa currently up 16% in the past 24 hours, up 8% since the new daily candle started on Monday, ranked 217. Now on Kaspa on CoinGecko is currently ranked 122 because the market cap is currently updated. And here, I don't know why the ranking is not, but the market cap is currently $344 million. Guys, Kaspa keeps on moving up this ranking. Almost $500 million market cap on Kaspa. Now the volume is a little bit concerning, I'm not gonna lie, $9 million, but that could just mean that there's not a lot of sellers, right? That could just mean that only people are holding and people are accumulating and they're not selling their Kaspa KAS, which is obviously very good. Volume is up 86%, but of course when you have a massive breakout like that, I would love to see at least $30 to $40 million worth of volume into Kaspa and not only $10 million. Fully diluted market cap is $570 million, which means that if it would be the max supply, that would be the fully diluted market cap. Now, the big thing right here that I really like is Kaspa is only listed on 2 big exchanges, which is MEXC and Gate.io, as you guys can see. Now, imagine when Kaspa gets to a massive exchange like KuCoin. I'm not even talking about Binance or Coinbase. I'm talking about KuCoin. That could really pump the price an insane amount. And imagine when this does get to Binance or it does get to Coinbase and it gets to all these top 10 exchanges right here: Kraken, Bybit, Bitfinex, OKX, Binance.us, Bitstamp. Imagine when all these things start to get added on, how high do you think Kaspa will go? Will it be a top 20 or even top 10 coin in the near future? I mean, this coin is really doing wonders right now. Having a look at some of the technical analysis real quick, or technical indicators, we can see right here that Kaspa has been holding these exponential moving average. So every time we're above it, we usually essentially trend above it, and these EMA ribbon hold us as a very strong support. So we could see right here, we go up, come back down, retest, come back down, retest, come back down, retest, up, down, retest, up, down, retest. Can we see a massive pullback all the way to 17 cents in the near future? That's number one. Number two is, we know that every time we come below the EMA ribbons, we usually come back and retest the nearest support. So if we do fall below these EMA ribbon, my next target to buy would probably be this region right here, sitting at 0.014, so 1.4 cents. That would definitely be a good buy, because guess what happened last time? We fell below these EMA ribbon, retested the support, and I could go on with this region right here. We came up, came back down, fell below the EMA ribbon, retested the support region, and we know that these support regions have been very strong. And you can see right here, we go up, get rejected by resistance. Of course, this creates a new resistance, come back down, retest the support. This was obviously a resistance, and we know resistance usually flips to support. I mean, you could see it better on the daily time frame. If we open the daily time frame right here and we take away these EMA ribbons, you can see that Kaspa has been doing sort of waves. It's been doing these waves and coming back and retesting support essentially, or resistance. It goes to support, resistance, comes back to support, goes up, making these waves. So can we see the next correction coming all the way back down before making a big move to the upside, or are we going to see a further correction all the way down to below 1 cent? That's definitely going to be a big question and a big indicator to watch. Now, Kaspa does not care about Bitcoin. It really does not care about what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is currently down right now almost 0.5%, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen. Now, the whole market is currently bleeding except for XRP, Kaspa, and Flux. Now, Flux, there's other reasons, I'm not going to get into it, but Kaspa, guys, is really absolutely exploding, and the whole market, 95, 98 even percent of the market is currently in the red, while Kaspa is currently popping and making all-time highs as I am making this video right here. So things are looking great. If you guys want to see more updates on Kaspa and more analysis, make sure you subscribe or follow my Twitter channel. I do a lot of technical analysis. I do a lot of updates right here on Kaspa, VRA, other cryptocurrencies, and just Bitcoin in general. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.